off with a simple dream, just a spark, just a simple seed. Share my story day by day, never knowing who would stay. Through the struggles, through the doubt, you were there, you helped me out. Every comment, every view made me feel I could push through. From hair growth to dream fulfillment, you believed and I could feel it. Every like, every share showed me love and was always there. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you all. I've seen my strength, I've seen me grow. More than hair, it's also my soul. Every mile, every fall, you were there through it all. Through the highs and through the lows, you gave me light, you helped me glow. Now I stand and now I see this dream is ours, you and me. From hair growth to dream fulfillment, you believed and I could feel it. Every light, every share showed me love and was always there. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you all. I've seen my strength, I've seen me grow. More than hair, it's also my soul. Every mile, every fall, you were there through it all. Through the highs and through the lows, you gave me light, you helped me glow. Now I stand, now I see, this dream is ours, you and me. From hair growth to dream fulfillment, you believed and I could feel it. Every light, every share showed me love and was always there. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you all. I never thought I'd come this far, but you're the reason, you're my star. Through every twist, through every turn, you gave me love. I've learned hair growth to dream for